Okay, hello, welcome to this other video. So I'm going to give you 10 OnlyFans tips. They're going to help you if you are in this spot where you're not making money, where you don't know what else to do. This can help you because listening stuff like this helped me a lot when I was stuck. Let's go to the first one, and is do not be cheap. That's it. You are worth it. You work and your time costs money. If you're going to make a good video, charge at least 10 or 15, or you can do 20. If they really want to see, they will pay. I promise you. Second one is you don't need their money. They need your content. Basically, you need to make them need you instead of you like asking them to buy stuff. You talk to them, they see that you're nice, and they're going to start asking you for more and for more and for more. And when they ask you is when you charge for this stuff, not when they're not asking you. So this is what I do sometimes. I just send like a picture of me like this, like, hey, how do I look? And they're like, can I see more? I'm like, of course you can. And there is when I start, every time they ask me, it's because they really want to see it. You don't need their money. Trust me, they need your content. That is something that when you understand that, it's going to bring you a lot of money. Third, be different. This is super important. You have to follow a lot of girls, right? Follow as much you can. And you're going to see that all of them do the same. They post nudes for free. They post this roulette, whatever, and all of them do it. And I have fans just telling me that what the fuck is that? I don't know why they do that. All the girls do it. I never done it, and I don't think I'm going to do it just because all of them do it. And it's like, okay, I need to be different. I don't have to do the same they do. So what I do to be different is my videos are funny. My videos are like about something. So I ask them always, what you want to see? It's not just like touching yourself or doing stuff like that. That's boring. Do something creative. I made a yoga in Spanish. I do naked yoga. I do whipped cream stuff. You know, funny stuff, something different, not just like using dildos and stuff. That is boring. All of the girls do that. Just do something different. Do something fun, something that makes you be different in between all those videos. If you are different, if you call the attention, if your pictures have a little bit of more work, I can also teach you how I take my pictures and how I edit my pictures, because yes, I touch the pictures. I don't add like big boobs or big booty or anything. I don't touch them that way. I just fix the colors. So if you want me to teach you how I do that, you can do it. You also can go to my page and just check it out and see if you like my pictures. That way I can teach you how I take them, because I always use my phone. Number 4, don't be mean. Oh my goodness. I don't understand this. Why all these girls are so mean with their followers? They're like, if you don't pay me, I'm not going to talk to you. No, girl, that's not how it works. They talk to you, they see that you are nice, and they pay you. I have people that, this is something that I learned before, because I was talking to this guy for like a month, and he never bought anything from me. We were just talking like normal, like, talking, how are you, whatever. And then one day he tipped me a lot of money, and right now currently he is my biggest tipper, and he still subscribed after 7 months or something. So it's important that you talk to them. Even if you don't want to answer, sometimes you need to do it. You just look at your phone and you say, I need to answer. I need to do it because this is something that's going to bring me money. So never be mean to them if they don't pay you. If they ask you as like the question, and some girls I've seen, like I saw this girl that they post the conversations on the feed. Never post conversations on the feed. For example, if I was a follower and I ask something to a girl and she posts my conversation on public, I'm like, sorry. So I never do it unless it's a review, and I always ask before, like, hey, can I use your comment as a review? So if they say yes, I do it. If they say no, I don't. Basically is you need to be nice. Don't be mean. Never. If they don't pay you, don't worry. Just don't have a priority on them, but always talk to them, because when they get to know you, they pay you. Trust me. I don't know, they just like, they want to pay. They just don't follow the picture, they follow the human that is behind the picture. If someone is mean to you, you can be mean, but if they are not mean, there's no point. Come on. Number 5, this is hard to understand, so I'm going to try to explain it well. Don't be 100% you. So be real. but don't be like 100% you. You have to be what each person wants to be. So some guys want you to be like super real, so you're like you can be you with that person. Never say bad stuff about them. So if you see that they are a little bit hateful or something like that, don't mention that. Never tell them their negative things, because they don't want to hear that. They want to hear only good stuff. So you want to have them right here on the sky. You want them to be your king, basically. So yeah, you have to treat them as they want them to be treated. Some people want a submissive girl, so you have to be that. Some people want a dominatrix, and you have to be that. If you don't have good memory, when you tap on the name, you can add notes. I usually add on the notes where they're from, because I try to learn as much information I can, their birthday, stuff. Every time I see something that I can grab and put it on my note. Just be what they want you to be. Don't be the same person with everybody, because don't lie, just be a little bit different with every person. And when you understand what every person likes, you will get it. Because I always, like the first days, I always let them talk. I ask, and what you like, and where you live, and how you like to be treated, and stuff like that. And do you have a girlfriend? Why did you break up with your girlfriend? I try to get as much information I can, so that way I can build this girl, perfect girl for this guy, and that way they will pay. Number 6, freebies. People always ask you for free pictures, free videos, free stuff. No. The free stuff I always do. I always do free teasings. Why? Because it's a teasing. You want to tease them, so then on the moment they will pay, because they will like, okay, I have no more options. I need to pay for this. If they don't pay, just ignore them. They will pay eventually. I only do free stuff to people that tip over 100 already. To people from my VIP, they get all my pictures unlocked. All the pictures, I don't care. Good tippers deserve free pictures, because they are tipping you constantly. Oh, this is important. This is another one that makes me so crazy. Listen, I'm going to get closer to this thing, and I'm going to tell you, do not follow people that unfollow you already. Are you listening to me? Are you looking at me? Do not follow people that unfollow you. If they unfollow you, it's because they don't like you. You need to understand that. You are not going to like everybody. I have 5,000 followers right now, and 3,000 people unfollow me. So I'm telling you, I will never follow that people back. So I unfollow these people. They follow me back, and they start sending me spam. I'm like, if I unfollow you, it's because of something. It's because I don't want to see your content anymore. So you are beautiful, and you are better than that. So do not follow people that unfollow you. Take care of the people that are following you right now, and the ones that leave, fuck them. That's it. That's all I'm going to say. You are better than that. Don't do that. Oh, this is important, and this is like really important. I'm going to say it. All of them are, but this is like, the more we move, more important are. Create a creators list. Don't add them to your friends, because then they're going to be on your profile. I usually charge for having people on my profile as a friend. You have all the creators on one list, and then when you need to talk to them, I send my flyer for promotion once a week to the creators, and not to all my friends, because I don't want all my friends seeing the business that I am doing with the creators, because that's going to be a little bit too much. And also because I send a lot of mass messages, like constantly. I'm like, hey, how are you? What you want to see? I always ask questions. I try to keep that chat active, and I don't want to be annoying with the other creators when they have a lot of messages. So I basically have my list of creators. When I want to say a mass message, I just send it to my fans and exclude the creators. This is important, so that way you have your messages free. So when I have creators that are sending me their stuff, I'm like, I always ask really nice, like, can you please add me to your creators list? And if they say yes, nice. Sometimes they say yes and they don't do it, but the thing is, when they don't at me, and that makes me crazy, and they keep sending me stuff after I ask nice, and they read the messages. I'm like, oh. So what I do is I just restrict them, because when I unfollow them, and this is what I was explaining you before, they follow me back and they start sending me their trash. So I'm like, no, I'm going to restrict them, and that's it. That way I don't get more stuff and I don't get mad. Oh, this is good too. This is something that I realized recently, and it is create a list with the best tippers or all the tippers you have. That list is going to help you on your messages. So sometimes I know we get crazy with the messages. So on your messages, when you go to your messages, on the top you say oh, and you see priority, and then there's a little pin right next to it. On that pin, you are going to click or tap or whatever, and you are going to add the list that you created with the good tippers. So that way you have them as priority. That helps, because the people that are tipping are the ones that deserve your attention more than anybody. Honestly, that's how it works. And if you see it that way, if you have it that way, it's going to be easier, because the more you talk to them, more they are going to tip. The last one is, this is my favorite because I love this one. Do random deals. This is amazing. So sometimes, I told you at the beginning, I know, don't be cheap, but sometimes you do fun stuff like that and you keep them active and expecting for the next time you do something like this. So the last one I did was I made a post, and I say $1 means one video, and that was really fun, and they liked it a lot. Another one that I did one day was really fun, actually. I sent 5 pictures. One of the pictures had like a winner prize or something, a winner tag that said you won. Each picture had a prize, so I sent them all separated, and then they had to figure out which one was the one with the prize. They had to unlock every single picture. Some of them got the prize on the first one, so the video was $3, but some of them found the prize at the last picture, so the video was $15, and that was amazing. That was a really fun game. Next one I'm going to do too is 10 videos for $10. Those are funny because I just grab random videos. I don't tell them what the videos are going to be. You say 10 videos, $10. You'll see. If you saw them already, I'm sorry. That's up to you. It's like a lottery, and a lot of people buy because they think it's fun. I don't do that often. I do it sometimes. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to use my referral link if you haven't created an account yet. Use it. It's on the link below. If you want to see my profile, it's too on the link below. Everything on the link tree below. You're going to see everything from me. Drop your OnlyFans username or your OnlyFans link on the comments, and also ask me if you want to see something else, if you have any questions, because I've been doing this for a long time now. For a long time, I say like almost a year. So no one helped me. I had to figure out a lot of stuff by myself. I have to check a lot on internet how to do stuff. I never found a way how to get where I am right now. So yeah, basically that. Drop your question. That's important for me, so that way I know you guys are watching. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in 2 days, because I'm posting whatever. Goodbye.